Okay, so welcome back, everyone. Let us solve today's problem of the day. Today's problem name is exit point in a matrix. Let us switch back to our tab screen and quickly see what this question says and enjoy our rest of the Sunday. तो आज का क्वेश्चन यही बोलता है एक मैट्रिक्स है n क्रॉस m है 0 is 1 का मैट्रिक्स है. You need to start at the top left from 0 0 and initially move in the left to right. So हमें left से right जाना है. There are rules for traversing in the matrix. If the current cell contains 0, right? If it's 0, follow the same direction. That is, keep moving in the right. If the current cell is 1, so let us suppose we encounter once, change your direction to right clockwise and update the cell to 0. Okay, तो हमें right घूमना है यहाँ से and we update this particular to 0. Let's say हमें फिर से वापस से 1 मिला, we again move right and we again move right, update to 0. And let's say वापस से हमें 1 मिला, we move right and so, मतलब ये एक circular direction है यार. And after fourth direction हमारा जो after four direction हमारा जो डायरेक्शन वो रीसेट हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स से दिस वाज डायरेक्शन 1, दिस वाज डायरेक्शन 2, दिस वाज डायरेक्शन 3 एंड 4, राइट? तो चेंजेस क्या हुए यार, हम राइट जा रहे थे. सो वी वर एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू कॉलम, सो इट वुड बी j प्लस प्लस. सो इन डायरेक्शन 2 वी वर गोइंग डाउन, so exploring the next row, which would be I plus plus. Similarly, in the threes, you are moving one column back, so j minus minus. In the four, we are moving one row up, so it would be I minus minus, right? So this would be the direction, but how can we tell that after four the direction should reset to one, right? तो उसके लिए हमने एक मॉड्यूलर कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा है. जब भी हमने कुछ सर्कुलर एरे जैसा कोई चीज होता है या फिर हमें एक पॉइंट के बाद रीसेट करना है एट द सेम पोजीशन, सर्कल मतलब एक बार सर्कल पे आया वापस से सेम पॉइंट पे आ जाए, तो उसके लिए मॉड्यूलर ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं. कैसे? देखो, अगर रीसेट नहीं करना होता तो वी वुड जस्ट रिटन डायरेक्शन इक्वल्स टू डायरेक्शन प्लस वन. बट सिंस वी वांट द रीसेट, सो वी वुड राइट डायरेक्शन इज इक्वल्स टू डायरेक्शन modulo 4 plus 1. इससे होगा क्या कि when you are let's say 0.4, so 4 modulo 4 plus 1 will give you 1, right? तो 4 से reset हो जाएगा 1 पे, and that is how you will reset a direction using the modulo operator, right? And I think इतने से अपना काम हो जाना चाहिए. And this is the same dry run is given in the expected input and output, so uh, it is same. So first we move from left to right. So 1 आया, हम तो नीचे right move गए. Then again we found a 1, so we again move right. We found 0, we follow the same direction, went out of the matrix, right? So we need to write our code while our pointers are inbound, right? So inbound means I greater than equals to 0 and I should less than row length, that is n, and j should be greater than equals to 0 and j should be less than column length. So these would be the criteria of writing the for loop. And once you've written the for loop, just move in the direction as the question says and reset it using the modulo operator. And that is it, you will good to go. So let us pause this video here now and try to code this approach by yourself. So let me increase the font size to 80 pixel. And what I'm going to say, so I'm going to make some few pointers, that is int I equals to 0 and int j is equals to 0, right? I'm going to make one direction as well, so that is nothing but int direction equals to 0, declare some rows and columns, so mat.len gdh, and column is m, so mat of 0 dot len gdh, right? So we're gonna start with the for loop, and I'm gonna say when I'm inbound, right? So inbound means I should be greater than equals to 0, and then I should be less than row length, that is m, that is n, and then j should be greater than equals to 0, and j should be less than column length, that is m, right? If that is the case, so we have started traversing, and if I find that matrix of I and j is actually pointing to 1, then in that case, what the two task question says to do, so matrix of I and j should be updated to 0, and we should update our direction. So direction is equals to nothing but direction direction modulo 4 plus 1, right? And we need to also say that when you update your direction, what at where position or in which direction it should go, like what should be the exact change in I and jth pointers, right? So I'm gonna say if direction is equals to 1, then what we decided, it was j plus plus, right? So I'm gonna say I'm gonna write j plus plus, and else if direction is equals to 2, right? And I'm gonna write the same case, similar else if for 3, and there would be an else for 4, right? So for direction 2, it was I plus plus, and for direction 3, it is j minus minus, and for direction 4, it is I minus minus, right? Okay. There goes the thing, but there we need to do one more task, that is the final adjustment required for answer, right? For returning this array list. So what I'm trying to say is, let us get back to the tab section again. So यहाँ पे होगा क्या यार कि देखो, जब हम इस वन पे थे, so we decided to move, go left, and then there was no obstacle, there was zero, and decided to follow the same direction, there is move left. But your jth pointer has went out of bound at this point to -1. But I need to return this pointer, right? So I need a final fix. So what would be the final fix? जहाँ जिस भी डायरेक्शन में तुम गए थे, राइट? इफ यू वेंट टू लेफ्ट, जस्ट वेन एक वापस आ जाओ, लेफ्ट गए थे तो वापस आ जाओ राइट में, राइट? सिमिलरली अगर आंसर हमें यहाँ से मिलता है, यहाँ से अगर वी हैव मूव्ड राइट, सो वी हैव कम लेफ्ट. लेट अस अज्यूम कि आंसर हमें इस डायरेक्शन से मिला हुआ था. वी वुड हैव एग्जिटेड द मैट्रिक्स इन दिस, फ्रॉम दिस सेल. तो आई हैव मूव्ड डाउन, सो आई वुड मूव अप, राइट? तो I think you are able to recognize what I'm talking about. So definitely हमें बस इतना करना होगा कि for the final adjustment for the answer, we need to write 4 ifs again, and I'm going to say that if direction is equals to 1, it was j plus plus, right? तो हम उसके लिए j minus minus लिख देंगे. I plus उसके लिए I minus minus. For j minus minus it would be j plus plus, and for I minus minus it would be I plus plus. Just the vice versa of it, and that if and else would be running just once in this entire while loop. Let us come back to our tab screen, to the original screen, and I'm going to copy this case again, and it was j plus plus. I'm going to say j minus minus I plus plus I minus minus, j minus minus j plus plus I minus minus. So do an I plus plus, right? Answer should be returned in this format. So I'm going to make one array list, and I'm going to return it. So answer is equals to new array list answer.add I and answer.add j, right? And I'm gonna say there's an answer. That is it for this one. What would be the time and space? The time would be before coming to time, let us fix this typos. Direction equals to direction modulo 4 plus 1. So we missed a semicolon here. Okay, so there is some problem. Let me rectify it. There's one more problem here. So direction should be updated to 1 and not 0, right? Okay. So we have a compilation passing successful, and there goes our submission. Let's wait for it. It's taking a lot of time while it is compiling the code. What will be the time and space? So at worst, we would be traversing each and every cell in the given matrix. So n cross m has time, and O of 1 has space because we are using just 3 variables and pointers and not any additional space. So O of 1 has space complexity. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye, and take care. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and be motivated in your journey. Till then, bye bye.